Good morning guys, welcome back to AS Vlogs. So in case you're new around here to this YouTube channel, please do not forget to smash that subscribe option and get subscribed.
The pain.
आज दुबई मॉल कुछ नया नहीं लग रहा है?
नहीं,
कुछ गाने वाने चल रहे हैं।
हाँ वो नेशनल डे इसलिए शायद प्री नेशनल डे सेलिब्रेशन।
वैसे तो बुर्ज खलीफा और दुबई मॉल हमेशा
कंफ्यूजन होता है दुबई मॉल और बुर्ज खलीफा, और जब बुर्ज अगर हम चाहते हैं तो भी बोलता है बुर्ज खलीफा आया हो, क्योंकि ये बुर्ज साथ में इसलिए
हमेशा दुबई मॉल नया ही लगता है। और हम लोग अभी किधर आ गए? फिश एक्वेरियम के इधर आ गए, राइट? मम्मी पापा उधर चले, तो हम दुबई मॉल में अभी एक वॉक ले रहे हैं। और तब तक मैं पापा को पूछता हूँ कि दुबई मॉल आके फिर से उनको कैसा लग रहा है।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। जब भी आता हूँ नया नया दिखाई देते हैं। दुबई मॉल तो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है, एकदम मार्वलस दिख रहा है, मज़ा आ रहा है।
तो अभी हम चलते हैं खाना खाने, क्या बोलते हैं?
और वेरी गुड, अभी वाज थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट ओनली, क्योंकि अभी यहाँ का अच्छा स्मेल आके पेट भी एकदम खाली हो गया है। चलो भर देंगे और फिर मज़ा ले लेंगे खाने का।
देखा, बड़े तो बड़े और छोटे भी ऐसे, जहाँ जाए वहाँ हमें भूख ही लगती है।
Look at the gate of this shop, guys. Now all along the gate there's a fish aquarium. Only one type of fishes we can see. Yeah, there's only one type of fish over here, but then there are so many of them. So guys, right now we are going to see a unique structure that they have built over here, which is on the occasion of National Day, and it's nothing but a replica of full moon. Can you imagine, guys, the full moon that we're going to see right now?
In Dubai Mall.
In Dubai Mall, but where exactly it is, we are not sure right now, because Dubai Mall is so big that it is little difficult to locate something unless you know the exact place, isn't it?
Yeah. But I think on Google they have mentioned which is on Souk Atrium.
So somewhere near Souk Atrium it is located. So now we have to find out where exactly the Souk Atrium is. And today is the first day they have constructed it on. In fact, they constructed on a occasion of National Day, which is 2nd December, right?
Yeah.
2nd December. So still 2 days to go. But then by the time this vlog comes on our channel, you would have already celebrated National Day in UAE. So let us wish all our subscribers, viewers, a very, very, very happy National Day. And where are our parents? They are little far, right?
So far away.
So Swagata, tell me one thing. Is this a full moon that they have built in Dubai Mall?
No, it's not a full moon.
तो फिर ये क्या है?
ये तो ऐसे ही झगमगाता है।
So guys, we've just reached Souk Atrium, and what we have spotted is everything traditional is going on over here. So as you can see, people are wearing kandura, abaya, they're serving traditional coffee as well. And this is the exact place where we have seen full moon as well, the replica of full moon as well, guys. So I'm just going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you what all traditional activities are going on along with the full moon replica which is there at the top. So let's see, guys. So Swagata, here is a full moon. Wow, it is amazing, isn't it? How exactly it resembles the moon, right? Even those tiny spots also are there on this replica. Okay, let me just zoom it up now. Oh my god, even though potholes also are there.
Wow.
Very nice, right?
Very nice, creative.
And look at the interior, guys. It's very nice. In fact, it's hung over there with a rope. So I'm not sure how heavy it is. You can always search on the Wikipedia replica of full moon in Dubai Mall, which you can put in Google, and you would get many of the things over there. And just down below you have all these activities going on. So it's a perfect spot to attract people with all these activities. होटल अटैच कर Potala. So right now guys, as you can see, Swagata is just going to try their traditional coffee out here, and just before the coffee she is thinking of wearing something traditional, so let's see how it goes in. So right now my dad is going to try a kandura, and he is just trying to put it in, so let's see how it goes. I'm holding the falcon, their national bird, and he's very adorable and he's very soft as well. So when I touch here, I get a very soft feeling. So his eyes are closed, as you can see, otherwise he'll just fly around and he'll be out of control. So we just wanted him in control, and he's feeling very comfortable as well, I think, in my hand. So I think he'll kiss me or he'll bite me, I don't know. See you, bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
So time to have some traditional food. The tradition is literally incomplete without dates, guys. So Swagata is going to try some of them. How it is? It's very nice. So look at these camels, guys, just outside the place where those traditional activities are going on over here. And Swagata is taking pictures of them. Hello. Look into camera. So let us move on to the one who is actually sitting over here, who is actually relaxing for a very long time, guys, and that guy is standing over there. So I think this guy should get up. He'll get up now. He will get up. So this is where we have something to read about replica of this full moon. Okay, so Swagata and my mom is in the queue there somewhere, something they are doing. I don't know what they are intending to do. I think she's halfway through. I'm really not understanding or can't read. But then looks like she has painted a lot, and looks like Swagata is halfway through. Oh, it's complete.
It's read it in Arabic, Swagata. Thank you so much. Welcome. See, I got my name in Arabic language. Hey, Swagata.
Nice! I'm so glad you had fun.
Thank you.
You're welcome as well. No problem.
Bye.
Please come back again.
Thank you. How is the tea?
It's nice, it's hot.
So right now we are just leaving from this place, and look at the streets from where we are walking right now. It's kind of a souk here, and they have given it a very traditional look, so it is just matching the activities that are going on over there, right?
Yeah.
I'm just holding a tea cup or coffee cup right now. It's a traditional coffee, and I just love this, guys. I mean, I asked for 2 or 3 cups, but then I still want more, because these are kind of small cups actually.
Yeah.
So for me, such maybe 5 to 6 cups are required to get content. So right now we're just thinking of leaving this place, and we'll go somewhere else. Where will we go?
Same question I'm going to answer.
So we'll go and see Burj Khalifa, because coming to Dubai Mall and if you
Without
don't see
Burj
Burj
Khalifa,
Khalifa, then it's like a crime, guys. isn't
the
it?
biggest crime.
Yeah.
For our subscriber and for us also.
So right now we are just going to go outside and see Burj Khalifa from very close. I hope you know Burj Khalifa, guys. It's a tallest structure or building, whatever you call, on the earth, in the world.
In the world.
So let's go out. Just look at the crowd. Oh. So literally, as you can see, guys, there's no place to walk over here. We're just trying to find our way and go as close as possible to the fountain, which is going to start right now and which has already started. Let's see. Let me turn the camera around to show you the musical fountain, the world's tallest fountain probably, because there are many world's biggest or tallest things are there in the Dubai Mall. So this is where you have the Dubai Mall, guys, and then on the other side you have the tallest building on the earth. This is nothing but Burj Khalifa. So guys, our pre-celebration of a national day is coming to an end, and as you can see, we are all wearing UAE national colors. So a very happy national day to all of you. I think by the time this vlog comes on our channel, you would have already celebrated, or you would have started celebrating National Day, which is I think on 2nd of December, right? So in advance, we would like to celebrate in this vlog. But then for all of you guys, a very happy National Day right now, right here. So stay blessed, stay happy, and enjoy your life, guys. We are going to end this vlog here and we are heading back home right now. See you.